Okay, so here's a quick tip when drawing missiles or rockets or any type of weapon that has a propellant. What you want to do is you want to shade around the missile's propellant. So when it's launching, you kind of have this smoke effect here and here. These are two kind of ICBM type of missiles coming out of this Typhoon class submarine. So what I want to do is just shade this part right here, the smoke, and then leave kind of the propellant trail or the blast white. That way it'll contrast really nicely with how the missile flies or gets launched. Same technique down here. Now this particular type of missile is launched undersea. It's breaking kind of the water surface right here. So you just kind of want to give it a little bit of a detail as it's breaking through the water surface. Kind of draw some splash going on right here. Same technique, kind of under the water. Remember, leave this propellant trail here kind of white, and it'll contrast very nicely with the smoke and the bubbles around it, giving that effect where it's leaving violently as it's being launched out of the submarine. So it'll look something like that. If you need to, you can go ahead and even erase some of that trail, just like that, just to further contrast that blast from the missile. All right. Hope this helps a lot, and enjoy.